Most Toyota 4Runner key fobs have a small access slot or notch on the side. Insert a small screwdriver, plastic pry tool, key, or even your fingernail into this slot to gently release the latch. Once the latch is released, carefully pry the two halves of the fob apart. Avoid using excessive force or metal tools, as this can damage the plastic casing or internal components. For 2023 4Runner TRD models, the access slot is located near the key blade, which simplifies the prying process. Be mindful of model-specific variations. Some higher-end trims have sealed designs that make opening more difficult. If you encounter resistance or are unsure, consider seeking professional help to avoid damaging the fob. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 lithium coin battery inside. Note the battery's polarity, with the positive side facing up before removing the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Ensure it's securely in place. Before reassembling, test the fob by pressing the buttons to confirm it's working. Align the clips on the fob's two halves and gently press them together until they snap securely. Make sure it's properly sealed for water resistance. If the fob doesn't work after replacement, check the battery's polarity and ensure internal circuits are intact. If issues persist, consult a Toyota dealer or mechanic, costing around $100 to $200.